Welcome to CK Supply, where your welding journey begins and grows. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, our single-day welding workshops are designed for you. Our excellent training facility and classroom provide the perfect environment for learning. With the latest and greatest equipment, you'll have everything you need to succeed. Our expert instructors are here to ensure you master the techniques with confidence. At CK Supply, we offer hands-on training in MIG, TIG, and stick welding, as well as Oxy-Fuel Cutting. We also offer application-specific programs tailored to your needs. Manufacturers in the area trust us to refresh their team's skills and enhance their understanding of welding and equipment. With our customizable class sizes, you get personalized attention and hands-on experience. You can visit cksupply.com, click on services, and scroll to welding training to see our calendar and pricing. Visit our website or call us today to book your spot. CK Supply. Your welding journey starts here.